How to insert a table caption in Microsoft Word. To insert a table caption, we move our mouse over the table and this fourfold arrow will appear in the top left corner. Now we do a right click on this arrow and go to Insert Caption. And here you will already have a box where you can write in your caption. Of course, you can also change this label in the front. So when you go to Label and open the drop-down menu, you can select one of these labels here. And if you don't like these labels, you can also create a new label by clicking here on New Label and then, for example, writing in tab. Then you can see that the table label has changed. Now, of course, you can also change the numbering. So as you can see, I wrote a chapter number here in this example. So when you click on Include Chapter Number, you can also select to include this number 2 from the second chapter. So when we click on OK, you can see that the table will have the description Table 1 in the second chapter. Then you can also change the positioning. So here, just so that you know, the table descriptions or the table captions are usually always above the table. So make sure to select above selected item. And now when we click on OK, this description will be inserted above the table. And that's it. Now you know how to insert table captions in Microsoft Word. If you liked the video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Thank you very much and have a nice day.